Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Smart Wallet and me, where financial wisdom matters. In today's video, I'm going to do another update on NIO and let you guys know of what's coming up on NIO Day on January 9th. So let's get right into it. So guys, according to this one article that I just saw on investors.com, there's an article that says a major catalyst for NIO stock is coming up. The company's 4th annual NIO Day is scheduled for January 9 and should yield several big announcements. Analysts expected NIO to expand its lineup of electric cars, including its first sedan models. In addition, an even larger 150 kilowatt-hour battery could debut at NIO Day. And an update on the NP2 vehicle platform is expected, with hopes for more advanced autonomous driving technology. And it says that NIO stock cleared a $40.74 buy point off support at the 10-week moving average in mid-December, offering the opportunity to add shares. So guys, let's go and take a look at this share price here and see what we're really dealing with. So I drew these lines over here. The current price right now is $48.38, and the support that they were talking about was right around over here, $40.51. So if we go ahead and draw a line over here, we can see that the support level was right about, so the support was right somewhere around over here, and the 50-day moving average is right around this purple line, and the 200-day moving average is over here. And the trend is your friend, as they say, and this is the trend line that I drew. You can see here that the trend line is going upwards, which is a trajectory of where the stock might be going in the future. There's really no guarantee of what's going to happen in the future, but this is a very good line. And if we look at that daily chart here in the daily interval, you can see that it has broken up above the 50-day moving average right around here on December 29, and it actually touched it just for a little bit, and then it bounced off of that. So now this $40 becomes the new support line, because you can see here it touched it here on November 5, it almost touched it here again on November 10, and again on December 2nd, and then again here December 14th. And so this has become now the new support line, and if this continues to hold, then that means that we should be looking at this potentially going above this resistance of $53.51. And we should see this potentially going above this line that I just drew over here. And if we don't do that, and if it doesn't hold up, and if we go below this 50-day moving average, then the worst case scenario would be that we would go down to this other support level, which would be around the $26 range, or potentially even touching the 200-day moving average, which is right now at $18.58. I don't think that's going to happen, especially because of all the good news that's coming out with NIO. So I don't think that's a possibility, but then again, you never know what can happen. But the good news is that there's a lot of positive news with this 150 kilowatt battery hour that is coming out. Also, because in addition to the January 9 NIO date, the China EV stock leader will likely report December deliveries and production figures in the next few days. And both could be big NIO stock movers. So we have to be on the lookout for this and see what's going to happen with the news of the deliveries in the near future. But if it comes out very positive, then you can see that this stock is going to go above those resistance levels. So guys, here it says on November 17, NIO beat estimates for the third quarter. NIO lost 12 cents a share as revenue more than doubled to $666.6 million. Vehicle margin expanded to 14.5% from a negative 6.8% a year ago, and 9.7% in quarter two. And available cash more than doubled from quarter two to $3.3 billion in quarter three. While earnings remain elusive, losses are narrowing. So the company is still not producing any revenues right now. It's still in the negative, but it's going to take a year or two before it starts turning around. As more sales of these electric vehicles are made, they're going to start turning around and producing a revenue. And analysts expect that NIO to more than half the losses to 67 cents a share in all of 2020, then further pare losses to 45 cents a share in 2021, according to Zacks Investment Research. Revenue is seen more than doubling in all of 2020 and nearly doubling in 2021, which is again very good news. So what do I see this stock going from here? Like I said, this is not the new support line of $40. and it is above the 50-day moving average, which is very good. And if this support line doesn't hold, then that means that we could potentially see it go down to the next support line, which is around this level of $21 to possibly around $18, which is close to the 200-day moving average. But if this support line holds, and if we start seeing good news coming out, then there's a very good chance that this stock can go above the prior resistance of $53.51, and we can shoot above that and possibly go to around $60 in the next few weeks to a month or so. So guys, that's my call. That's what I'm seeing based on this analysis here, based on the chart. Unless we get some really bad negative news and something, triggers a bad reaction, sans that, I think that this stock will pose to go higher from here. Based on the RSI strength, we're seeing that the RSI right now is around 59. The MACD is around 0. And the money flow is right around 53. So those are pretty good signs. It looks like there's going to be a turnaround coming up very soon, and we should be heading up from here unless something negative comes out. So guys, let me know what do you think about this stock and what's coming up for NIO Day on January 9. And I hope you guys like this video. Please give me a thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching.